In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Xero subscription. Handling subscriptions, especially when it comes to business and accounting software like Xero, is an essential part of managing your finances. Perhaps you've discovered an alternative that better suits your needs, or maybe you're aiming to reduce your business expenses. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Once you've logged into your Xero account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the My Xero tab. This area not only allows you to manage your subscription details, but also provides access to a wide range of account settings. Now, for our purpose today, you'll need to click on Edit Profile. This option might seem a bit tucked away, but rest assured it's your gateway to accessing the subscription settings. After you've clicked on Edit Profile, the next task is to select the Subscriptions tab. This particular section offers a comprehensive overview of all your current subscriptions, including the details associated with them, such as the billing cycle and more. It's here to ensure that you have a full understanding of the services you're enrolled in. In the Subscriptions tab, you'll notice the presence of 3 dots or an ellipsis next to your subscription details. Clicking on this symbol will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You will want to find and select Cancel Subscription. This action might feel significant, but rest assured, Xero makes this process as smooth as possible. Upon selecting Cancel Subscription, Xero will prompt you to choose a reason for your cancellation. It's standard practice for most subscription-based services to gather this information as it helps them understand customer needs and identify areas for improvement. So, go ahead and select the option that best reflects your reason for leaving. After choosing your reason, the final step involves clicking on Confirm Cancellation. This is a crucial part of the process as it officially initiates the cancellation of your subscription. It's worth emphasizing the importance of reviewing your decision carefully one last time before confirming. Once you click this button, your subscription will be set to cancel based on the terms you agreed to when you signed up. And there you have it. Canceling your Xero subscription is as simple as following these steps. It can also be beneficial to confirm the cancellation via email if the service provides an option to do so. This will ensure there are no surprises regarding your subscription status later on. In summary, today we've walked through the login process on the Xero website, explored the account settings via the My Xero dashboard, moved on to Edit Profile, selected Subscriptions, and finally confirmed the cancellation. By taking it step by step, you ensure all details are covered and nothing is missed. Managing subscriptions is a crucial part of handling your business's finances effectively, whether you're streamlining your tools or shifting towards different solutions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has simplified the subscription cancellation process for Xero. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your business tools and solutions.